No matter what kind of diet you're on, it's not easy to stick to it. You have to remember what you can and can't eat, cut out a bunch of restaurant options, and oh yeah, you have to count calories every single day. It drains your mental energy, and it doesn't feel good at all. But guess what? I write about diets for a living, and I've never counted a single calorie in my life. Let me tell you how I did it. I decided from the moment I was diagnosed with diabetes that I would never count a single calorie again. The decision was easy to make, but actually sticking to it can be difficult. It took me several years to find a diet that worked for me and my busy lifestyle. Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world. Click below to find out the best methods for you. Why your diet and having healthy body was failed. Because what you eat because your workout was no enough? No. You did not know the secret of your body and how to eat smart. The methods we introduced are not difficult to continue every day. You can eat smart to follow the methods, and you may have a slim body you want, and healthy life. Again, you can achieve stress-free weight loss and get your healthy body. Click below to find out the best methods for you.